Hello there my producer friends.
Hi.
So today we will make emotional progressive house track. So, we know that Matisse and Sadko are the man of emotional progressive house tracks. As you listen to their music, they release a couple tracks and some of them have emotional festival vibe. But my most favorite track is Together. When I hear this track in festival it really gives me tears, and I don't know why. It's just beautiful. Now let's jump to the tutorial. Now set the tempo to 128 BPM. I always start with a chord that gives a vibe of emotional progressive house. The next step is the melody. As you know this song the melody really have a uplifting emotional progressive house vibe. For the lead I just grab a preset and Synth 1 and Nexus from my sample pack. For lead processing I just put them in one channel and gave them stereo enhancer, OTT, reverb, EQ, and another EQ and multiband. Together they sound like this. Now for the synth chords I just grab a presets for Synth 1 Inspire from my Galaxy sample pack. For the mixing process I also put them in the same channel and gave them EQ to cut the low and the high frequencies, gross beat to add a gate effect, and lastly a sidechain. Together they sound like this. Now for the bass. For the bass I added 3 mid bass and 1 sub bass. In sub-bass process I put a distortion, sidechain and EQ to cut the high frequencies. For mid-bass I put them in one channel and gave them EQ. Overdrive for distortion, gross beat and sidechain. Now for the drums. For the drums I just add a kick, claps, FX and drum fills. And guys, we are done. If you want to make tracks like this you need to check out the Galaxy Sample Pack. It has hundreds of presets for Serum, Length 1 Inspire, and it has hundreds of carefully handcrafted samples that are perfectly made for progressive house. In case you want to learn more about making that kind of music, we put it a 1-hour masterclass from professional producer called Severum where he explains all the mixing and mastering tricks in detail. So, click the link below and grab the pack. Now let's see the final result. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.